Hey, easy, little one. What happened? Wait, lead me.
The tension mounts as they approach the water's edge. The cub senses what the man cannot yet see. They are not alone.
Large aquatic predator. Leopard taken underwater.
We have multiple breaches. Confirm all units are en route.
Activate wildlife rescue protocol, now!
All teams confirm loadout. We have a confirmed sighting at Sector Gamma.
Move fast.
Net system ready.
Bait locked in position.
Bring it up steady, watch the tail. Looks good, we got him clear.
Let me check if the Leopard is still alive. I'm detecting a heartbeat.
It's the Leopard. She's still alive.
Sedation going in. Everyone stay clear.
Using specialized straps, the rescue team carefully separates the
All right, everyone, ready to lift on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Steady, steady now. Let's move her onto the stretcher.
The tissue looks viable here.
Yes, I agree. We should continue flushing.
Vitals are stable.
You're okay, sweetheart. We're here to help you. Almost to the examination room now.
Under the watchful eye of the convoy, the giant moves closer to safety, a testament to the dedication of the wildlife management team.